Tecno Spark 40 Pro versus Tecno Spark 50 Pro. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro is a much thinner option at 6.7mm, outperforming its competitor's 7.8mm build. With a weight of only 170 grams, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro feels significantly lighter than the 207-gram version. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro features a premium AMOLED display, which offers richer visual than the standard IPS LCD panel. Both devices offer a tie in this round, as neither model supports HDR10 capabilities. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro brings a smoother experience with its 144Hz refresh rate, beating the 120Hz standard. Reaching to 4500 nits, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro provides much better outdoor visibility than the 550 nits model. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro screen is sharper with 440 ppi, vastly exceeding the 259 ppi on the other phone. With a higher 89.3% screen-to-body ratio, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro delivers a more immersive, bezel-less view than 83.5%. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro boasts a superior 1224 by 270 20 pixel resolution. Both smartphones come with the exact same 6.78 inches display size, making this round an absolute tie. Both phones utilize identical Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, providing an equal level of durability and scratch resistance. Both devices are powered by the exact same 2.2 GHz, delivering an identical performance tie. Equipped with the same Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, both Tecno devices provide identical mid-range processing capability. Graphics powers ends in a tie, as both devices run on the exact same Mali G57 MC2 graphics processor. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro delivers more aggressive performance, making it a stronger choice for daily efficiency and speed. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro takes the lead here, providing a newer Android 16 interface but with its updated iOS 16. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro provides a massive 6000 mAh battery, offering longer endurance than the 5200 mAh capacity. With faster 60W charging support, the Tecno Spark 50 Pro refuels much quicker than the alternative 45W speed. Both devices are highly versatile, offering a dedicated slot for external memory to expand your storage capacity in a tie. Data transfer are perfectly balanced in an equal tie, as both smartphones utilize UFS 2.2 storage technology. Multitasking is equal, with both devices packing 8GB of RAM to handle your regular daily application without issue. Storage space is a tie, since both models provide an ample 256GB of internal space to store all your digital files. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro captures crisper images with its wider 50MP f.6 wide main camera compared to the f.8 setup. Video recording option ends in a perfect tie, as both smartphones support up to 2K at 30fps video capture. For selfies, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro offers a superior 13MP f.22 front camera over the smaller 8MP f.3 sensor. Front camera video performance is an identical tie, as both phones record at FHD at 30fps resolution. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro provides elite protection with its IP69 6-meter rating, far superior to the basic IP64 standard. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro retains the versatile 3.5mm jack, while the alternative device unfortunately drops it. Charging connection are an absolute tie, with both devices employing a standard Type-C 2.0 port interface. Audio quality ends in an equal tie, as both models come equipped with immersive dual stereo speakers. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro has the edge-in wireless connectivity by offering a newer and more stable Bluetooth 5.4 module. Both devices support NFC technology, giving users equal convenience for quick to contactless payments and data sharing. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro features a premium in-display sensor, which feels more modern than the side sensor placement. Network versatility is an equal tie, as both smartphones accommodate up to 2 SIM cards simultaneously. Mobile connectivity is perfectly balanced in a tie, with both models supporting 4G and Wi-Fi 5 protocols. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro is much more budget-friendly, making it a highly attractive option for value-conscious buyers. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro wins this battle with 3 points, while the Tecno Spark 50 Pro finishes behind with 23 points.